अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody. आज की हमारी स्टार डिश है चिपोटले सॉस. So are you ready to spice up the flavors? Let's begin. This sauce will be ready in under 5 minutes. So you will be needing 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream. For that, take regular cream and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and put it aside for 10 minutes and your sour cream will be ready. And then 1/4 cup yogurt, 3 dried red chilies and slightly roast them in oil. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of jalapeños juice that comes in the bottle. We only need the juice, not the jalapeños. If not available, then use 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. Then 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend everything together and there you go, your chipotle sauce is ready. It goes extremely well with beef burgers, chicken burgers, tacos, burritos and can be used as a dipping sauce. Isko taste karte you will be forced to say Kamal. If you have any questions or feedback to share, please feel free to do so in the comments. Thank you.